Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And for today, we're going to bake banana muffins, and the ingredients are the following: 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of water, and we have 1/4 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the muffin mix. It contains 396 grams in one pack. This will make 12 muffins. This is naturally and flavored with banana. And in the middle of our mixture, we set our oven for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are done combining the muffin mix, the water, the eggs in a bowl. So we have stirring process for about 50 to 75 strokes until it is blended. We have our mashed bananas, to create a great we continue stirring. It is blended until, and we spray now our metal pan with cooking spray, no stick cooking spray. You can also have baking cups if and we have 1/2 cup of oil. another strokes added until the oil is properly blended with the butter. And now we distributed evenly, and after 20 to 25 minutes, we have here, look at that, our banana muffins. It is still hot. You can cool it down before cutting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Have a good one.